Positional parameters. Positional parameters in the functions, parameters and arguments both are there. Arguments is passing the value and parameters is also receiving the value. But positional, through the name you got position, means position cannot be changed. Okay, variables follow the same order. That means position cannot be changed. Match the number of variables, means suppose in the argument you passed 3 variables, but in the parameters receiving only 2 variables, so it will not match. So that is why generate to the error. So that is why matching the number of variables. So if parameter has given 2, so you should pass the values also 2, not 3, right? So this is the positional parameters. Through the examples, define sub a comma b, s equal to a minus b, subtract it and print it. Now x, y I have taken, then sub function calling I have written first y and then x. So this y it will take to the a and then x it will go to the b. That means in the, this is called which one? This is called parameter. Okay, and our argument is what? X and y. X value is first I have taken which one? 4 into first number, this is 4, and y value is 2. But what in the function calling I have done? Sub y comma x. That means I call to the second variable first. That means what happened, that y comma x. So that means in the y a place x will not go. Which one will go? Y will go. Okay, and then b place what it will come? Not y, it will come to the x. So x value is what? This one 4. So b equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So a equal to 2 it will come. Okay, so now do a minus b. 2 minus 4, whenever you will do it, then what is the result will come? Minus 2. That is why subtraction of two numbers answers came minus 2, right? So this is the positional parameter, means position cannot change. If you change this variable order, then what happened? It will take to the first one, it will take to the first parameter, and second variable it will take to the second parameter.